people. So this morning I woke up at like 5:45 in the morning, and because I just wanted to finish reading this book called Lady, You're Not a Man by Apurva Purohit, The Adventures of a Woman at Work. Basically, this book has been written by the CEO of Radio City 91.1 FM. And this book, it's very rarely that I read the same book twice, and this book, it was released quite a while ago. In fact, almost I think that's what, maybe 5 6 years ago, maybe. Yeah, and I remember reading it then, and then again, as of yesterday, I began reading it. And truly, people, this book has some very certain pointers about the fact that we think it's unfair for a woman, but quite often it's even unfair for a man who has to be saddled with the responsibility of being the primary breadwinner. So this book deals with a whole plethora of subjects, topics that as a woman in a workspace you will encounter. And strangely, it's been said, Apurva Purohit ma'am says that that's what she's experienced, she's never had to face any kind of real gender discrimination and all of that, in terms of the gender harassment, which is true, because there are lots of decent, nice guys out there. And in fact, in the place where I was working previously, there were this very strict policies in place that any kind of harassment will be taken seriously and all. So it just feels nice. Actually, the world has a lot of gentlemen, and that's a very gratifying, happy thought. So really, people, this book, Lady, You're Not a Man, overall, it's the very tone of the book is. But I'll be honest, it's the tone is such that being having been from Stella Maris in Chennai and post graduation from IIM Bangalore, you can make out Miss Apurva Purohit, who's the mother of a now must be a teenage boy. And no, now in fact he must be in his 20s, I guess. But certain things in life, for some people, they come easy. I mean, like, easy as in, um, she's not had to. It's certain books are very angst ridden. This is not one of them. So you do read this, people. It's not it's the kind of book that you should read if you want a very probably balanced view of the world. Yeah, that's what it is. So Lady, You're Not a Man by Apurva Purohit, and you can find it on Amazon. So this is one of my very long videos, almost it's, normally my videos are only 1 minute long, but this is the kind of book that'll change the way you think. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.